Hi, welcome back to Lana's Kitchen channel. Today I'm making my homemade chicken noodle soup. It is delicious. So this is what I use to make my homemade chicken soup. Cut up chicken, chicken broth, fresh dill, 3 to 4 celery stalks, 3 carrots, a leek, a vanilla onion, 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter, some kosher salt, and fresh parsley. First, melt your 3 tablespoons of butter in a large soup pot on a medium heat. Next, add 1 washed and trimmed leek. Add 1 vanilla onion cut up. Next, add 3 celery sticks and 3 carrot sticks. Cook until everything is nice and translucent. Next, drop in your bouquet of dill and parsley. Add 2 boxes of unsalted chicken broth. Bring this to a boil, and then I'll add my chicken pieces. I'm using chicken legs and chicken breast for the soup. It's important to use chicken on the bone. It just comes out much better than if you use a breast without the bone. But it's up to you. You can use whatever you like. Then add a little more kosher salt. The chicken soup has been cooking for 2 hours. Remove all chicken and put it into a separate bowl. I like to add light and fluffy home-style egg noodles, but this is completely optional. Once the chicken has cooled off, you can separate all the meat from the bone and put it back into your soup pot. The chicken noodle soup is finally ready, and believe me, it was well worth the wait. Thanks for watching Lana's Kitchen channel, and please remember to subscribe and like my videos. See you again soon.